Oh, you can fit in. Oh. Hey guys, you've kind of caught me at an awkward time. I'm actually packing up my room here. Yeah. Sorry, I know you're a bit confused. I haven't actually made a video or an update about anything in over a month. Why is that? Well, truth be told, I was all designed out. My full-time job as a video designer and editor is 8 to 9 hours a day, 5 days a week, and sometimes in the weekends. So by the time I get home in the evenings, my brain is just wanting to sit down and not doing anything. My design ability is completely spent. So over the past month, where I've been extremely busy with a lot of workload at work, which I absolutely love, by the way, I just haven't been able to build a prop or make a prop. It's just been a bit overloading at some stages, but that's not me quitting or anything. Now, the reason I'm packing up my guns at the moment is because actually this space I knew wouldn't be available towards the end of the year. The landlords of this property are actually wanting to sell it, so that means I have to take it off and demilitarize it, I guess, so this place can be dressed up to be what it's supposed to be, a bedroom. It's been used as my office over the last year now, and it's been a fantastic one because there's amazing natural light coming in here, and it's brilliant. So the landlords are wanting to turn it into a bedroom, so I said that's fine. I will demilitarize it so that way you guys can not scare off any potential house owners, and I will of course find a new studio. What does that mean in terms of tutorial style video content? Well, I don't actually know when the next one's going to come out, and I'm not stopping by any means. I just need to find a new place, set myself up, and get started again. Thankfully, daylight saving is now here, so therefore it's summer in New Zealand. Therefore, by the time I'm getting home after a long day at work, I've still got like 5-6 hours worth of sunlight. That's plenty of time to relax, get my brain back into gear, and start doing some designing again. So yeah, that's just a quick video. I know I haven't done one in so long for the reasons explained, but I wanted to make sure I did a video in the studio for the last time, because as soon as I turn this camera off, I'm literally taking all these guns down, putting them in boxes, and hoping that I see them sometime in the next month or two and get them back out on display. But thank you so much for everyone who's been enjoying my content. Even though I haven't been producing a video in the last month, tens of thousands of people are still finding me every day because of my backlog of videos, and a lot of you guys are still communicating me. You follow me on Instagram if you want to, of course, follow me there to see my daily updates, my random stories. That's the way to do it. But until the next one, whenever that may be, video content and tutorial wise, I will see you soon.